Hello, good morning. You see this project? This is our project, you know. It's very hard to find out the object, but finally we reached a very good sign because we got this sport, or what we call in Tagalog is tinidor, you know. This is from Japan. We reached this. You see this? Oh, you see this one? This is sport, or tinidor. Uh, you see this? We got it here between the two rocks, indicating that there's an object here. So we are conclude that this project is real and positive, too much positive because of this one. There are so many signs here, like this Kinabiti stone here, you know. But our main project is this one, in 25 feet now, up to 35 feet. Oh, it's very hot. You see this? So you can focus that one, Joey. Delikado ako dito.
At makikita rin po natin ngayon ang talagang
Focus mo
hugis po.
para nakikita dyan, nakikita ko.
Hugis po nitong tinidor. Ito po ay ayon sa aming pagsusuri, 100% na antique at made in Japan. Nakuha po namin sa pagitan ng mga nakasalansang bato. At kung atin hong titingnan mabuti, meron ho siyang ibig sabihin. Ayan po. Katulad ho siya ng scorpion o alakdan na naglalarawan po o ibig sabihin tumutukoy po sa apat na object sa proyektong ito.
Yes. 6 feet pa tayo rito. Maabutin na natin ito. Feet pa, Joey. Maabutin na natin ito. Mula dyan sa kanitatayuan mo hanggang dito sa portion na ito, mangangailangan pa tayo ng mga 6 feet. Possible na abutin natin ng grams of gold coins or silver coins, you know. Okay? We resume our work now. Okay, Joey? Dito mo focus para kita mo. Hello, Philip! Musta na, bro? Ito yung project natin. Sana makita rin ni Art Dilion ito para okay na okay. Okay, akit muna ako. Palomo. Kailangan ka na. Okay.